Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark. Today we're gonna do some welding on the car. Finally. I'm gonna skip a big introduction today. Just watch and enjoy the video and I'll get right back to you. Enjoy! It's getting hot in here. Oh no. Well, it's bloody hot in here. We did some welding in the front fender, the rear fender. Mainly the removal of the American lights. It's not perfect, but we have to use the materials we have, and I think the results are perfect. I'm very happy with it. Just letting the bando, how do you call it? Plamure? Bando?
Something like that, yes.
Yeah. Dry, and we're gonna clean up and call it a day. I know we're not moving forward like we want to, but otherwise we are moving forward. Come on, I do not want to complain. Also, while Andy was doing the welding, I cannot do that. I will try it one day, but time will come. I started working on the Electra, replacing the wires. Maybe you can see it. Can you see it? No, not so good. The mantles, the stuff around it, hoses are all just dried. I have to say sorry for the crappy filming because the GoPro was empty, so I decided to finish with the phone. But these were all crappy, so I decided to remove them and just put a new flexible hose protection on it. It looks good and it's very handy and future proof. So we're gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully next week we're gonna continue welding. Meanwhile, I'm gonna continue working on the Electra. I have to remove the cables for the rear lights and other stuff. I'll tell you about that next time I'm gonna work on it. So for now, I wish you a good day. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.